Dear brothers and sisters, today the church celebrates Saint John Neumann, a humble bishop who gave his whole life to God's plan. He was born in Bohemia in 1811 and came as an immigrant to the United States, where he became the fourth bishop of Philadelphia. As bishop, he worked tirelessly for the poor, for immigrants, and for children. He started one of the first Catholic school systems, and under his leadership the number of Catholic schools grew from just a few to many across his diocese, so that every child could know Jesus and the faith. He was known for his simplicity, his love for the Eucharist, and his readiness to go wherever God sent him, even when it meant hard work, misunderstanding, and sacrifice. Saint John Neumann reminds us that holiness is found in doing God's will day by day, serving quietly, and trusting that God's plan is always better than our own. Today's promise of the day comes from Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. This verse was given to God's people in a time of exile and confusion, when nothing seemed to be going right. God assured them that His plans were not to destroy them but to bring them to peace, restoration, and a hopeful future in His time. This promise tells us that God sees the whole picture of our life, and even in our struggles He is working for our true good. The life of Saint John Neumann is a living picture of Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11. He left his homeland with many uncertainties, faced loneliness, criticism, and heavy responsibilities, yet he trusted that God knew the plans he had for him. Through that trust, God used him to build schools, strengthen parishes, and give a hopeful future to thousands of immigrant children and families. In the same way, when you feel unsure about your future, remember this promise and this saint. God's plan for you is not for harm but for hope. When you surrender your life to His will, He can do beautiful things through you. Saint John Neumann, pray for us, that we may trust God's plan and live this promise of hope every day.